Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by organizing. Open the subtool palette and make sure each piece is named and polygroups are set. Once done, decimate any extremely dense meshes to reduce processing time. This prevents crashes and makes retopology easier later. Next, mask or hide irrelevant geometry so you only combine what you intend. Make sure symmetry is correct before proceeding. If not, fix it now, because combining asymmetric pieces creates cleanup work you will regret. You merge subtools using merge down or merge visible to produce one active subtool, then choose the joining method. Dina Mesh for organic meshes, Boolean Union for hard surface precision, or Z Modeler Weld for control. Once merged, remesh at an appropriate resolution. Use 1024-2048 for detail, lower for base shapes. Then, if detail shifted, use Project All from a duplicate source to recover sculpted information. Make sure to check edge flow and polygon distribution before moving. You finalize by remeshing with Z-Remesher to create consistent topology. Set guides or keep groups to preserve important edges. Once remeshed, refine seams using smooth and Polish brushes. For harder surfaces, use H-Polish and trim dynamic. Reproject any lost detail from your backup duplicate using Project All with a few iterations. Troubleshooting tip: if you see holes or artifacts, undo to before the merge, increase Dina Mesh resolution, or reproject from your duplicate. That resolves most common join failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.